Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome to Emirates Flight 511 to Dubai. Please remain seated for the moment. We firstly invite all customers travelling in a wheelchair and passengers travelling with infants or young children to come forward for boarding at gate 15B. All other passengers are kindly requested to remain seated for the moment. Please have your own boarding card and open passport ready for inspection. On behalf of Emirates, we wish you a pleasant flight.
देवियों और सज्जनों, नमस्कार। दुबई को जाने वाली एमिरेट्स की उड़ान 511 में आपका स्वागत है। कृपया कुछ समय के लिए बैठे रहें। हम सबसे पहले सभी यात्रियों जो व्हील चेयर में यात्रा कर रहे हैं और यात्रियों को जो छोटे बच्चों और बच्चों के साथ यात्रा कर रहे हैं द्वार संख्या 15B के द्वारा बोर्डिंग के लिए आगे आए आमंत्रित करते हैं। अन्य सभी यात्रियों को से अनुरोध है कि वे कुछ समय के लिए बैठे रहें। कृपया निरीक्षण के लिए अपना बोर्डिंग कार्ड और पूरे पासपोर्ट को निरीक्षण के लिए तैयार रखें। एमिरेट्स की ओर से हम आपकी सुखद उड़ान की कामना करते हैं।
Ladies and gentlemen, this is my deck. This is Captain speaking. My name is George Barnes of Coffee Island in Jamaica in the West Indies. With the flight deck is Mr. Mohammed Al-Insan. He is from the United Arab Emirates. A multi-talented and multi-national cabin crew led by your person, Laura Clark. She is journeyably assisted by cabin supervisor Mustafa Science and Bakr Masoda in the economy and cabin respectively. Together along with the rest of the team, Sir Fred to welcome you on board Emirates Flight 511. It's going to be a service shortly departing for July. The present is showing itself 7 minutes away from the scheduled departure time, at this time completing required paperwork and the departure procedures. Once we get going, we ask the cater for two routine flights at fast cruising altitude of 36,000 feet to the time of 3 hours and 6 minutes. The route takes us today across the airspace of Indian routing overhead Pakistan and just into Omani airspace and across to the UAE. You're encouraged to follow the progress of this flight on the special channel of Emirates' award-winning in-flight entertainment. Your route weather for the road start is forecast to be fair and such, anticipating and generally right. Nevertheless, as always, in the interest of safety, we ask that you keep your seatbelt fastened on. Having the pleasure of flying up this afternoon, this morning rather, as soon as we get closer to the valley, you're taking on the weather and giving an updated time of arrival. Now the weather is good. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, it's good of you on board. Enjoy your time with us. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, a safety video is unavailable. The power crew will be demonstrating the safety features of this aircraft. All our flights are non-smoking, which includes the use of electronic cigarettes, and all toilets are fitted with smoke detectors. Seatbelts. Please fasten your seatbelt like this. Whenever the seatbelt sign is on. Adjust the belt by pulling the strap. Lift the metal strap to unfasten your belt. If you would like to sleep during the flight, please fasten the seatbelt over your blanket so we do not disturb you. Oxygen. If oxygen is required, mask will appear from above you. Please remove your face mask if you're wearing one. Pull the mask towards you to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your mouth and nose and breathe normally. Put your mask on before helping others. Life jacket. There is a life jacket under or to the side of your seat. When instructed by the crew, remove it from its container and pull it over your head. You can pass the tape around your waist, fasten in front of you. Pull firmly to secure. Only inflate your life jacket when you are leaving the aircraft. The crew will now complete the final safety check. Thank you.
I think this is your first officer, Muhammad Al-Dosari speaking. We will begin our descent to our destination, Dubai International Airport, shortly within the next 20 minutes. Local time in Dubai right now is 47 minutes past 11, and we are planning to be on the ground in approximately 1 hour from now at around 45 minutes past 12 p.m. Dubai local time. Temperature in Dubai right now is around 41 degrees Celsius. It has been a pleasure having you on board flying with us, and on behalf of Emirates and the entire crew, I wish you a very pleasant stay at your destination, Dubai. And thank you again for flying Emirates. مطلق الطيران في مطار الزبيداري حتى تتم حل شبه ساعة. 12 دقيقة ظهرا ودرجة الخارجية 41 درجة مئوية. نحن سلامتكم بقاء جالسين في مقاعدكم إلى أن تتوقف الطائرة توقفا نهائيا وتبقى إشارة تفتح جلسة المقاعد. نشكركم لسفركم مع طيران الإمارات ونرجو نصلح لكم راحتكم آملين أن نكون في خدمتكم مرة أخرى فنشكر مرة شكرا.
Ladies and gentlemen, by International Airport, the local time is 12:35 in the afternoon. Please keep your seatbelt fastened until the sign has been switched off. Don't leave us today, we can take your details for any personal belongings. Thank you for flying with Emirates. If you enjoyed your flight with us, I would look forward to seeing you all again soon.
Cabin crew, control orders, cross check please.